National Biosafe is here to do a total deep clean and sanitation of the entire restaurant and kitchen for the safe return of Runway 84's employees and customers. Come join me. We are very proud that Anthony Bruno has called National Biosafe to come in to disinfect and sanitize the entire restaurant and kitchen to get his staff prepared for the reopening of Runway 84. Today, we're using a 70% alcohol-based cleaner to disinfect and clean the entire restaurant, and also a fogging component to clean the air. From the back of the house, from your stainless steel equipment to the front of the house, from the front door to your restrooms to your faucets.
We're here at Runway, getting ready to open regular hours. Biosafe, doing a deep cleaning, the whole place. Gonna be spotless. There's nothing alive in this restaurant after these guys are done.
Get back to work, get protected. National Biosafe is here for your safety.